gonna smoke me a fatty brisket.
The BBQ Today we're grilling up the smash burger at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for the smash burger, you're going to need some seasoning like our SBG, some ground chuck beef. Here's some bacon. You're going to need some cheese, and you're going to need a bun. That's it. So, first thing we're going to do is fry up the bacon. And we're using a grill top, like a cast iron grill top. That's the only way you can do a smash burger. You don't grill it over a open flame. Nope, it won't work. You need the classic cast iron or grill top just like that. All right, so next we're going to season the burgers. And, of course, we're going to use our SBG. At the least, use some salt and pepper or whatever. And just work it in there. Simple enough. And, of course, we're using ground chuck for best taste and flavor. And we want plenty of fat. So this is about 85% lean to fat, at least. Now, you must make your burger patties precisely at 2.5 ounces each. And there's a reason for that. You don't want your burgers too big and fat for this. You want a quick fry. So we make each patty about 2.5 ounces. Perfect. All right, bacon's coming along. Ooh. Can you smell that? It smells good. And I think the neighbors can too. Such is life. All right, bacon's done. And we'll just pull it off the flat top here. Perfect. You getting hungry or what? And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right, next, we're going to do the burgers. But you need some butter fat. This is essential to these burgers. Butter fat, sweet and salty butter fat, and that'll give you the exact texture that you're looking for your smash burger. So we're going to take these little 2.5 ounce meatballs we made. Simple. Ooh. And a pretty hot grill. And now, here's the magic. We're going to smash them. Smash them down hard. Right? Now, we're using our John Deere meat press here, but use what you like. All right? Pretty simple. If you don't have a meat press, just use another pan. And just smash it down. Just like that. Lord have mercy. That sound is kick. Well, it just don't get any better than that, huh? And if you're a burger aficionado, I think you know what I'm talking about. In fact, some claim the best burgers are made on a grill top like this. Simple. All right, so now we're going to flip them. We're getting the texture we want. Be a bit salty. Are you kidding me? Listen to that. Music to your ears, right? It's beginning to look like a smash burger. All right, now, the cheese. You need to use the classic American cheddar sliced cheese. Don't use a fancy-ass cheese. It won't work. It must be this cheddar cheese. So you cheeseheads, just don't lose it. This is the way you need to do it. Now, the cheese is melted, and now we're going to do some stacking. One on top of the other. Perfect. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Whoa, are you kidding? Now we can use our Santa Maria, just adjust the wheel, bring it up, cool it down. Perfect. Makes for an easy grill, right? All right. These smash burgers are done. Well, almost. Now we got to set them up. So again, use a decent roll. You want a pretty looking roll. But if you don't, like I said before, some good old white bread. Classic. All right. Look at that. Now, you could set these up with the condiments you like, or you don't need any condiments, or you can just use chup, whatever. We're going to kick up some chup by adding a little mayo to it. And I know some of you out there, oh, yeah, it was a good one until you put the mayo on it. Man, we got food cops everywhere. And we're also going to hit it with some sriracha. Just kick it up a bit, right? Like I said, this here is Pitmaster Privilege. You do what you want, but this works real fine on these smash burgers. Oh. Now, here's the good part. Oh, you kidding me? One at a time. It's like poetry. Look at that. Now we're going to take the bacon and stack some on top. I guess we could go a lot faster on this edit, but no, I'm sorry. No, this is the way we got to do it. Oh, look at that. Now, put on the top. This is ready for a 5-star restaurant without paying the price either. Look at that. Now, this is the part where the pitmasters are going to eat it in front of you, and trust me, they're not apologizing. So, if you enjoyed this recipe, head on over to our website, send us some comments, or give us a thumbs up here, or follow us, or subscribe to us. We appreciate your support. And whatever you do, don't forget to feed the cameraman, or there'll be hell to pay. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.